All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol IGC, India Globalization Capital Inc. And before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to Invest for Tomorrow. I hope you guys learned something new and find this informative and helpful. And for all my subscribers, I want to say thank you always for engaging in conversations and not forgetting to hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. So for all my viewers that are here for the first time and find this worthwhile, I highly encourage you to hit the subscribe button. Do not forget to click on the bell and hit the like button for me if you found this helpful and informative. Let's jump into this chart. So very, very bullish run. Um, falling down here from around 50, 65 cents mark, right? Almost in the 59s and stuff. Around 65 cents. This bullish run started and it created staircases and then a really high skyrocketing point to the point that it reached a high of 451. And from that moment forward, the rejection happened, people taking profits, sell off, or news, or even um, fear of anything that discouraged investors or so forth created this. And now it's below the 50-day moving average. And there's been a lot of people trading this all week. So I decided to make a video to help you guys, anybody that got in anywhere at these points or even at these points and are holding right now. I want you guys to pay close attention to these significant and important cues. So the first thing is the 50-day moving average. It's 254. Until that is broken through, there's no sign of showing or saying that the bulls have control or have gained control. So once that's broken through and the bulls end up in this area and they use it as support, they can start to work their way up to newer highs and newer resistance levels. On the other flip side of things, which this had a closing price of 182, the support level, which is the lowest point this stock has reached since this bearish run, is 167. If 167 gets broken through by the bears and they bring the stock down into this area, what they're doing is they're pulling it further away from the 50-day moving average and getting it into further bearish territory to the point that they're going to hit through other support levels and newer lows. So that's something significant to pay close attention to. Now, on the other flip side of things, the bulls can take advantage of the price in this bearish territory and bring this one back up. So I'd pay very, very close attention to the behavior of the stock if it breaks through support. Is it slightly breaking through it or did it break through it significantly? You know? So you guys as investors will be able to rationalize and make their own decisions based off of what you're seeing, but at least you have that cue. On the other point, before the 50-day moving average, to know if the bulls are back into bullish territory, they're going to have to break through the highest point before this steep fall, right? And that is 247. It is slightly below the 50-day moving average, and 247, if that can be broken through and used as support, the bulls can be on their way to break through the 50-day moving average and then continue the bullish run. But they have to significantly break through the 50-day moving average, prove and test the supports up here, and then they can go ahead and continue a bullish run or even begin one. So that is the cues and points of reference I would like to share with you guys on this one. Very bullish run. It was a very quiet stock before this bullish run, and it's hitting new lows every time, and we'll have to see if the bulls can recover this one and bring it back up and take advantage of these prices. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys found this helpful and informative. Excuse me. And let's make some money.